Introducing the 2025 Isuzu D-Max LSE Arctic truck, the ultimate pickup truck designed for all your adventures. With only 1 kilometre on the clock and a sleek black exterior, this diesel automatic is ready to take on any terrain. The 1.9 litre engine, combined with four-wheel drive, ensures a powerful and smooth ride every time. Packed with comfort and safety features like adjustable seats, cruise control, satellite navigation, and ABS, this truck prioritizes your driving experience. The exterior boasts alloy wheels, mudflaps, and tinted windows for added style and security. Rest assured, with our full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Isuzu D-Max LSE Arctic truck. Contact us today at harrisgroup.ie for more information or visit our showroom to see this beauty in person.